Deputy Commissioner Andy Carcera is also here. Morning, Andy. So, again, we'd like to acknowledge the presence and our partners in government, National Telecommunications Commissioner Attorney Ella, Cybercrime Investigation Coordinating Council. They will be here, and Avoy Paraiso is on his way. And of course, our friends from the CIDG. Good morning sa inyo lahat. We also want to thank our partners from the media. Thank you for helping bring these important conversations to more Filipinos. And your presence today, all of you, will reflect shared commitment to protect Filipinos in an increasingly digital age. Today, how much of how we live, work, and transact happens through our mobile devices. From communication to financial services. By the way, GCash is part of the Globe Group, in case you haven't known yet. And communication to financial services to access to government platforms, connectivity has become part of everyday life. As our reliance on mobile connectivity grows, so do the risks that come with it. These threats are becoming more sophisticated, more targeted, and harder to detect. We are now seeing threats that operate not just online, but at the level of network ecosystems too. One example of this is the use of the SI catchers, devices that can mimic legitimate cell towers and interpret mobile signals. When this happens, users may unknowingly connect to a fake network, which can be used to enable spoof messages and other scam attempts. In many cases, there are no visible signs that anything is wrong. Because of this, the challenge we face now is no longer just about user awareness. It is about strengthening our ability to detect where these IMSI catchers are operating and respond to them quickly and effectively. At Globe, we believe that connectivity is essential, but it must also be safe, secure, and resilient. Protecting our customers is not an added feature of our service. It is a responsibility that comes with enabling digital life at scale. This is why we continue to invest in strengthening our defenses. We actively block scam and spam messages at scale with over 967 million blocked in 2025 alone, and we continue to block. We also have deactivated more than 244,000 SIMs linked to fraudulent activity, while continuing to strengthen how we detect and respond to emerging threats. Globe, as chair of the Global Anti-Scam Alliance Philippines chapter, we work with partners to strengthen coordinated action against scam-related threats. This is a work we do every day, often behind the scenes. At the same time, we recognize that no single organization can address this alone, not just NTC, not just the BNP, but all of us present here. Effective protection requires coordination, shared intelligence, and strong partnerships. That is why we work closely with government agencies and law enforcement, and today's event reflects that shared responsibility. The deployment of the IMSI or the IMSI catcher detectors is an important step in addressing threats at the network level. It allows us to detect and respond to risks more effectively and more proactively. More importantly, this signals a shift towards more coordinated and future-ready protection of the Philippines. This is not just a one-time effort. It is part of a broader and continuing commitment to stay ahead of evolving threats. At the end of the day, our goal is simple. We want every Filipino to be able to use connectivity with confidence and with protection. We thank our partners for standing with us, and we look forward to continuing this work together. Magandang umaga po ulit at welcome to Globe Tower.